Hello delicious family, you are welcome to another video. Let's make this delicious catfish stew together. Here I have my fresh catfish, my tomatoes and scotch bonnets, my spice blend, which consists of seasoning cubes, country onions, rosemary and 1 scotch bonnet peppers, some red onions for flavor and also to heighten the taste of this dish. Catfish has this sliminess all over the body, just like snails. So this method is the best method for me to remove the sliminess of the fish, and also to ensure that when I'm making this fish stew, the fish doesn't scatter in the stew. So what I'm just doing here is adding salt to this warm hot water and submerge the fish in it and allow the scales come off on its own. After leaving this fish in the hot water for going to 10 to 20 minutes, I just use my knife and scrape off all the sliminess of the fish. In my blender, I blended my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet peppers, and also 1 whole red onions. And in another blender, I blended my spice mix, which consists of my seasoning cube, rosemary, country onions, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, and also 1 large red onions. This spice blend will heighten the taste and also the flavor of the stew. I'm boiling down these tomatoes to reduce the cooking time. I don't want to spend the whole day just because I'm making stew. Here I'm just marinating my fish with part of the spice blend. I added some salt for taste, and trust me, this particular process takes your fish from level 10 to level 100. So if you have not been seasoning your fish before cooking them in your tomato sauce, maybe that's why your stew doesn't come out well. Try this method and you will definitely see a huge difference. So here you can see I have boiled down the tomatoes to this beautiful consistency, and I think at this point my fish is ready to go in. Kindly like this video. Please always like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your beautiful friends and family, and let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. You can see that despite the whole stirring, cooking, my fish is still in place. It's not scattered. Now you can see the reason why I always soak my catfish in hot water before cooking them. I know you've learned a lot from this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your awesome friends and families. Comment what you've learned and what country are you watching this video from in the comment section. Till I come your way again, I remain Delicious Army. Stay blessed, keep doing good, and always do not forget to keep showing love. Bye.